Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to flip image on your EZVIZ home camera. And for example, when you install the camera upside down like this, so when you install like this, the image will not show the vertical, so the image need to make the flip setting to let you see the correct view of the video. Okay, so to do that, let's see on the EZVIZ app, and now let's go together. Okay, on the app you now just press the camera and then press the setting on the top right hand of the camera. After that, you need to select image setting and scroll down. You will see the word flip image. Select on it. And now you see the video is upside down. And to change it once more time, press the flip image again. Okay, and it's up to your selection. You want it to which rotation that you want, and that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can flip the image on your EZVIZ smart wireless camera. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.